Canva is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of designs, including custom mock design. With Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive library of design elements, creating a personalized mock design is quick and easy. To start designing a mock in Canva, user can choose from a variety of pre-made templates or start from scratch. Canva offers a wide range of design elements, including text, shapes, images, and backgrounds that can be easily customized to fit the user vision. User can also upload their own images and logos to create a truly unique design. When designing a mock in Canva, user can easily adjust the size, position, and color of elements to create a design that suits their style. Canva also offers a range of fonts and text effects to help user create eye-catching design that stand out. Once the design is complete, user can easily download and print their design to transfer it onto a mock using a heat press or transfer paper. Canva's high quality design ensure that the final product looks professional and polished. Overall, Canva is a great tool for creating custom mock designing that are personalized and unique. With its user-friendly interface and extensive design elements, user can easily create a one kind of mock design that makes a great gift or addition to their own collection.